afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. Everyone, this Chef Ebi once again. It's been a while, but I just said, okay, let me go and video some few things for you again today. Just with bell pepper for today. We'll be making pizza. We'll be making pizza today. As I told you, I'll be showing you simple, easy way to make food. And that's what I'm doing now. Please don't run like this if you're not a chef. I'm just doing it because, I've been in that profession for a long time. I always say that every time. But if you're not a chef, do not go, all the way to be, fancy thing. What I'm doing now is pepper in chunky way. I'm dicing it, but in chunky way. Where it's gonna go on the pizza. We are doing what we call homemade fresh pizza. Okay. As I said, I'm dicing it. That's the part, we got that. I'm going to cut our chicken. Just cut it. It's a cooked chicken that we're going to use. Just cut it, as I've said before. Just cut in a slice like this. Just cut it. I was saying, what can I do for lunch today? And my children said they want some pizza. And I said, okay, fine. Let's just do the pizza. Let's do chicken pizza, which they wanted us to do. Pizza dough. I'm just rolling the pizza dough with a rolling pin, as you know. Wow. This one is big, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Well, it's good, it's good. This is a rolling pastry that I made up and was in the fridge for 30 minutes. The base, pizza base, tomato. That is most of what we use for pizza base, really. Tomato. This is what we call margarita. Just pizza and cheese only. That's what we call margarita in that's what we call margarita in what's the Italian language. Margarita. Just cheese only. And as I've said before, we always like mozzarella cheese. Alright? We have some grated mozzarella cheese here, which I'm gonna put in a minute. Our pepper, and our onions. We just go like that. Alright? We just go like that. Just put it in. Yeah? Just put it in. That's the base of the pizza. Pizza done. We're gonna put cheese. As I've said, we want to do fresh one. Just a minute about that one. That's the mozzarella cheese. Just go like that. You said, Chef Ebby, are you being stingy on cheese? No, really. Well, let's do that for now. Right? You got to use it sparingly. Right? Then I still got other two to make. Then where there's more, I just put it on top. That's it. That's it done. We're just waiting for finishing touching where we show it when it's done. Thank you now. There is the chicken one. We're just gonna put that cheese on it. Maximum time 20 minutes. Or you don't want it to be gluey and to burn. You need 20 minutes for that maximum. Thank you. Hello, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Chef Ebby here. This is the finishing touching of the pizza. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel, Ebby's Kitchen. Thank you.